Maybe you should get a faster airplane and shut the fuck up.
Pilots get in an argument over slow plane.
Okay, Center, now that IBEX isn't on a frequency to whine about my speed, 323 Echo Zulu, can I get higher?
323 Echo Zulu, maintain Alpha 190.
190, thanks, Echo Zulu.
Maybe you should get a faster airplane and shut the fuck up.
IBEX, I think the FCC ought to talk about your professionalism on the radio.
ABEX 311, 2752, 12752.
Alright, 2752, and I apologize about that. Just didn't like that guy arguing with me. Have a good one, man.
3 Echo Zulu, take off 320.
220, 3 Echo Zulu. It was pretty funny.
He's actually approached his mistake there. They didn't see if the air could have been following you for a while there, but they just I apologize.
No. He was whining because I had to slow him down because I'm in a flotation, but maybe that's why he's a cargo dog and not working for a